Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. My name is Anna. So I was invited recently by Beebee Craft to review some of their products. So I got them in the mail today, and I am going to share with you what I have received. That way we can check it out together, and yeah, so we can check it out. So all I did was cut it open just because it'll take less time to pull everything out. And okay, there's nothing left in the envelope. So it looks like everything is bubble wrapped, and I guess I'm going to need my scissors anyway. And let's cut this open. Super excited, guys. I had never checked out their website, and oh my gosh, they have thousands, to me it looked like thousands of items to choose from. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so look at this. I ordered some bags, and I saw the amount in there. I just didn't think it was really this much. Okay, so it's 1,000 bags. And I don't remember the price, but I will list everything in the description box. So it looks like I got one package of the bags. It's 1,000 bags. Whew, I'm gonna have to share these. And one package of the scrapbook paper, and then one set of dies. Okay, so that was my packing list. So these are the bags. Oh my goodness, guys, they have bags in every size imaginable. So I chose these because sometimes we put small items into a little box or something, and I really wish I had smaller bags. And look at that. These bags measure 2¼ by 5, and this is a perfect size to put the smaller beads and things like that. These are the smaller bags, and I like them because they do seal at the bottom, and I have no bags that are this size, but guys, they have every size you can think of. So I dropped the bag. Okay, so they have every size you can think of. So I mean, honestly, oh my goodness, you should go and check them out. Like I said, I will put the link in the description box so you can check them out. So there are the bags, and then here is the set of dies that I ordered, and they are nesting dies. Can't wait to use these. Well, I can't use them if I can't open them, right? Okay. So the nesting dies. I forgot how many sets. 3 sets. So we have the stitched square, and that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different sizes, and it looks like they have the little stitching on the ends going around. So there's that one, and then we have the circle ones again with the stitching, and then this one comes with the hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one comes with 10, and they look like they're easy to, I like that, easy to remove, to separate. And these again have the little stitching around the heart. Oh, I can't wait to use this. So those are the 3 dies, the set of dies, because it's in one set. They're not separate. They are one set. Sorry guys, I gotta get rid of some of this trash. And yep, I am going to make something really, really soon here with these dies. And there is the square set. This is one set, guys, so you get all of them for the one price. And like I said, I don't remember how much it is, but I will put it in the description box. Super excited. Okay, and the third thing that I ordered were the cardstock, the glittered cardstock. And look at this big old paper pack. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, beautiful colors. Look at that. Beautiful light blue. We have that, oh my gosh, that deep, deep red. We have this fuchsia color, gold, and it looks like we have two sheets of each color. And this champagne pink. We have silver. We have, this is not gold, it's more of a bronze, maybe. And this is another blue, another fuchsia. And look at this black. Oh, that's beautiful, guys. And I can tell you, this is copper and this is green. Some of them have three. Some of them have two, unless, well, they probably all have three. But the quality of the paper, it's nice and thick. It's not too thick to where you wouldn't be able to cut. And I like it because the glitter does not come off. It's on there permanently. So it is so pretty. Quality is good, and you get a lot in this set. Guys, I counted them, and it's 36 sheets of glitter paper. And again, for the one price. I just think that if you have not checked out their channel, their website, oh my gosh, guys, you really should. It seems like the website was like endless. I mean, just so many products to choose from for just about any craft that you like to make. It's in there. There's something in there for everyone. Guys, I hope that you check them out and see what they might have that you didn't know you needed. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will talk to everyone later. I will show you what I make out of this. And thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.